because he's getting the best of both worlds. Maximum power output on a beautiful new roof, and he's worry-free about high electricity bills.
Hey guys, Anthony Sakari from New York State Solar Farm. I'm joined by George, the owner of Gkontos Roofing, John from Gkontos Roofing, and Gabby, one of our solar consultants. And this is a great day because John from Gkontos actually just got A-series 420 watt SunPower panels on his roof today. John, how was it?
It was awesome. Coming from a roofer, you guys did great. You took care of my roof and I couldn't be any happier. It went beautiful. Almost as fast as our guys probably, but you guys did a great job.
I think it's like one of the biggest compliments when a roofing contractor or people in the trade could work together on their home project. George and our company has been working together for a while, and that it just means a tremendous amount when you could do that, because you guys know roofs inside and out. We know solar inside and out, and we're both quality operations. That's what we believe in. So George, do you want to get into a little bit more about the roofing side of things, just how it works, what you guys do?
Yeah, so obviously there's a lot of factors that go into the roof. It's a whole roofing system, and I think it's very neglected out there in the field. Anthony, you and your team at New York State Solar Farm, I think you do an exceptional job. It's always a pleasure working with you out there in the field. You have the same, like you said, you were talking about qualities and really caring about the homeowner. And it really shows, and I do value our friendship and our relationship that we gained here, and we do go into it looking as a full system, making sure that everything is done properly between ventilation, making sure your warranty systems do last as long as they should, and making sure that your roofing system will last. You have the full warranty, and really looking after the homeowner, so you're very efficient. And with your solar panels on top, you do have a very safe system between having the certain amount of spacing in between to act as an R value and let airflow through like an actual attic system would, which is very important.
These guys are dealing with roofs every single day, and they deal with roofs that have solar systems on them from a lot of different companies, and they've seen a lot of different things. So John, it means a lot you going solar with us, and I just was wondering, because I know you were considering a lot of different panels and you were working with Gabby on figuring out the right panel for your home. What made you choose the A-series 420 panel over all the rest of them?
Honestly, when I'm going with SunPower, you know you're getting the best, so I wanted the best you guys had to offer. So the 420 seemed the best to offer, and Gabby went over all the specs with me, kind of told me the pluses and minuses of it. So I was able to kind of get the best panel from the best company, and now it's on my roof forever.
All right, guys, we're signing out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later.